Question number 8. Hemispherical bowl is made up of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. So this thickness is 0.25. Okay, and inner radius of the bowl is given 5. See, if we observe the top view of the bowl, we will get like this. Okay, this thickness is 0.25 and this radius is 5. So we should find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So for outer curved surface area, we should know outer radius. So radius will be 5 plus 0.25. Okay, so what we can write here, radius or outer radius of bowl, that is R, is equal to 5 plus 0.25, 5.25. Okay, then outer CSA of bowl will be 2 pi r square. So 222 by 7, r square means 5.25, 5.25. So what we can do here, 525 by 100, then 525 by 100. Okay, so from 25 we can cancel. 25 4s are 25, 2s are 50, and 2 will remain. 25 1s are 25. Okay, similarly here also 21 by 4, then 2 will go with 2, this 2 will go with 11, then 7 3s are, so we'll be left with 11, 3 and 21 divided by 4. So what we can write this, 11 into 63 divided by 4. So from 4 we can cancel this. 4 1s are 4, then 2 will remain, then 4 5s are 20, 3 will remain, 4 7s are 28, 2 will remain, then 5s are. So 15.75 into 11. So from 11 we can multiply. 11 5s are, then 11 7s are 77, and 5 82 will come. Then 11 5s are 55, and 8 63. Then 11 1s are 11, and 6 means 173.25 centimeter square outer surface area. In question 9, it is given that right circular cylinder encloses a sphere of radius r. So this is radius r. Okay, so what will be surface area? So surface area will be, surface area of a sphere will be same 4 pi r square, isn't it? Now if you consider this diameter will become 2r, and that diameter is equal to height of the cylinder. So we can say height is 2r. So height of cylinder is 2r. So CSA of cylinder will be 2 pi radius and h, isn't it? But h is now 2r, so we will get 4 pi r square. Now in the third part, ratio of both of these. So surface area of a sphere divided by CSA of cylinder. Both have same area, isn't it? See, so 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square will be 1:1. Find volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, so we know radius is 7 centimeter. So volume of a sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here we will write 22 by 7. R cube means 7 into 7 into 7. So 1 7 will cancel, and here we can write 88 into 49 divided by 3. So this we can multiply, isn't it? So we will get 4312 by 3, which will give in decimal 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 2 will remain, 3 7s are 21, 1 will remain, 3 3s are 9, again 1 will remain, so it will be continuous. So centimeter cube. Question 2 is find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28. So if diameter is 28, we can find radius. Radius will be 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now volume of water displayed, volume of water replaced will be equal to volume of spherical ball. Okay, that we know its volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So radius is 14, so we will write 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are will go. Now we'll be left with 88 by 3, and this will be r cube, so one more 14 will come. 2 into 14 into 14. Okay, so this will give, if you multiply to get 176, and 14 square means 196, divide by 3. So this we should multiply 176 and 196. So we will get our answer. So final answer is 6 will come, 9 will come, then 4, then 4, and then 3. Divide by 3. Okay. Then if you want to get in decimal, we will simplify further. So we will get 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24, 2 will remain, 3 6s are 18, again 2 will remain. So this will be continue. So centimeter cube we can write. Question number 3, diameter of metallic ball is 4.2. So if diameter is 4.2, we can find radius, which will be 4.2 divided by 2, that is 2.1 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the mass of the ball if density of the metal is given? 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So first we will find volume of ball. That will be spherical volume. So 4 by 3 pi r cube will come. So 4 by 3, 22 by 7, 2.1, 2.1, 2.1. 7 3s are 21, so this will go, isn't it? And here 88 and 0.1 means this will come. And 2.1, 2.1 means 4.41, square of 2.1. Now this we can multiply to get answer. So answer will come 8, 10 will come, then 8, then 8, and then 3. So after 3 digit decimal, so we will put after 3 digit. So this is centimeter cube. Now here it is given density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Now density formula we know, mass by volume, isn't it? So this is mass and volume is 1 centimeter cube. That is for 1 centimeter cube, for 1 centimeter cube volume, density is given as 8.9, okay, gram. That is, this is mass for 1 centimeter cube we can write 8.9. So mass for this much centimeter cube will be, mass for 38.808 centimeter cube will be, this we should multiply, isn't it, into 8.9. So we will multiply to get our final answer. That will come 345.39 gram. Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So let D1 and D2 be diameter of moon and earth respectively. So what is given? D1 is 1/4 of D2. Okay, what fraction of volume of earth is the volume of moon? That means what we should find? Volume of moon divided by volume of earth. Okay, we know formula is 4/3 pi. Suppose let R1 and R2 be radius. So 4/3 pi R1 cube, 4/3 pi R2 cube. Okay, so these two will get cancelled. Now R1 cube and R2 cube. R1 we know it's D1 by 2 cube and R2 is D2 by 2 cube, isn't it? Radius is half of diameter. So this 2 also will go. That means D1 cube by D2 cube. But D1 we know already. D1 is what? 1/4 D1. So here we will write 1/4 D2. Okay. So 1/64 D2 cube divided by D2 cube. So this also will go. So answer will be 1/64 or 1:64.